Hi guys, andito pala kami ngayon sa Avenue Plaza para sa aming Valentine's Day dinner date. Nag-prepare sila ng isang fun activity. Binigyan nila kami ng pen and paper para magsulat ng message. And kung sino man ang may pinakamagandang message para sa kanyang partner, siya yung mananalo at tatanggap ng premyo galing kay Avenue Plaza. Yan pala yung ginawang message niya para sa akin. Pakibasa na lang guys. Sige, hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Thank you. Joke lang. So, ito na yung video na kung saan tinawag kami para basahin yung message niya para sa akin. Let's go!
Let's go!
And syempre, thank you very much once again, Miss Mika and Clark. Happy Valentine's Day, B. Thank you for giving me 3 beautiful boys. I'm the luckiest because I am loved by 4 wonderful men. I appreciate all the sacrifices you've done for our family. I am beyond grateful for the good life, for loving me and the kids beyond measure, and for proving to me every day that I made the right choice for marrying you. I love you so much and I promise to love you always for the rest of my life. Thank you so much. May naman ako message para kay Ma'am.
Same. I love you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Here's your prize.
I'm so happy nang marinig ko yung message ni Mami. Nakakataba ng puso at sulit lahat ng pagod, sakripisyo na ginagawa mo basta para sa pamilya mo. Malaman mo lang na masaya sila at kung gaano ka rin nila kamahal.